So guys, let me introduce myself. Okay, let me introduce myself. So myself, Uday Gadiparthi, I have total 12 plus years experience in IT. I have total 12 plus years experience in IT. I have total 5 years experience in training. 5 years experience in training. Okay. So I started my career at HCL Technologies as a fresher. Then I have got chance to work for Cognizant. Then I have got chance to work for Hexaware Technologies. Now I am directly working for ServiceNow company. Okay, I have got pretty much good experience in ServiceNow. I started my career at HCL Technologies as a fresher, right? There I have got chance to there I have got chance to work as a ServiceNow administrator. Then after that I have got chance to work as a ServiceNow developer. Then I have become a subject matter expert. Now I am working as a ServiceNow architect. Okay, I have got pretty much good experience in ServiceNow platform. Well, guys, I'm a certified system administrator. I do hold CSA certification. I'm a certified application developer and certified implementation specialist ITSM. I'm a certified implementation specialist GRC. I'm a certified implementation specialist Discovery. I do hold lot of micro certifications as well. Okay, so I do hold my micro certifications on Flow Designer. I do hold micro certification on, let me just type it here. I do hold micro certification on domain separation. Okay, I do have certification on integration hub. So I have got pretty much good experience on all the areas in ServiceNow platform, including integrations, flow designer, all the advanced topics. Okay. Well, when it comes to my habits, learning is my habit. Learning is my habit. I like to go to swimming on the weekends. I like to go to outdoors. So I would like to visit no tourist places. Okay. So I like going outdoors. Well, these are my hobbies, guys. Well, this is actually about myself. Okay. So now let us quickly discuss about training roadmap. Okay. Now we will actually discuss about training roadmap. Okay, let me just scroll a little up here. Okay. So guys, this training goes for 50 days, 50 hours, not days, 50 hours. This training goes for 50 hours. Sometimes it can go up to 55 hours. Okay. Why do I take more hours is that I will actually explain even more topics that I mentioned in the, so you would have received the course content, right? So whatever the topics that you have seen, more than that, I will actually cover as part of this training. Whatever you have seen in the course content, right? More than that, I'm going to cover. I'm going to cover even more topics as part of this training. Okay. So that is why I may take 5 more hours. Okay. The training will be 55 hours around. Okay. So here the sessions goes from Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday. Sometimes I may not be available. I may not be available on Saturdays. during that time, I won't be able to take the sessions on Saturdays. Usually we will take the sessions on Saturdays, but sometimes I don't take the sessions on Saturdays. Okay. Well, the training will be started from tomorrow itself at 6 p.m. Same timing. The training will be started from tomorrow itself at 6 p.m. I will be the trainer, guys. Myself, Uday Gadiparthi, I'll be the trainer here throughout this training. Okay. Well, here as part of this training, what are we going to cover? So we are going to cover ServiceNow administration, ServiceNow development, and ServiceNow implementation. We are going to cover as part of this training. Okay. So here, what comes as an admin? What comes as an admin? What comes as a development? What comes as an implementation? We have to understand. So most of the people, they will actually ask, so what is the admin role? What is the developer role? What is the implementer role? What they does? What admin does? What developer does? What implementer does? So many of the people, they have these doubts. Let me just take one car as an example. Car. Let us take one car as an example. So car is a product. That product will be designed by company. Let us take Mahindra Thar car. The car will be designed by Mahindra company. So implementer will actually develop it everything from the scratch. Okay. The company will actually implement everything from the scratch. Okay. So from the tires to from the engine, each and everything will be developed by Mahindra company. Here implementer will actually start everything from the scratch and complete it till the end. Implementer will start it from zero and will take it to end. Okay. Implementer means who begins and who ends. Okay. Implementer means so car manufacturing from zero till the end. So implementer will take care. Let us take development. In the cars, so here engines will be separate. Engines will be separate. And there are some parts, right? These parts will be developed separately, and then they will be added in this product, car product. So this is a development. This car parts development. Okay. So admin is actually a mechanic. Admin is actually a mechanic. Here you guys can ask me. If admin doesn't have knowledge on car, will he be able to repair the car? No. Admin also should have understanding on each and every part of the car. Okay. Developer. Even developer also should have an understanding on each and every part of the car. Okay. Even developer also should have an understanding on each and every part of the car. Implementer also should have knowledge on each and every part of the car. But here it is your wish what you want to become. If you want to become an implementer, you can become an implementer. If you want to become a developer, you can become a developer. If you want to become an admin, you can become an admin as well. So guys, everyone should have knowledge on ServiceNow platform. Even though you are actually willing to go as an admin, you should have knowledge on ServiceNow platform. Sir, I want to go as an admin. I want to learn only admin. Okay, you should have an understanding on total product. Even though you want to work as an admin, even though you want to work as a mechanic, you should have an understanding on each and every part of the car or not. So likewise, here admin should have knowledge on product. Developer should have knowledge on product. implementer should have knowledge on product. These three persons should have knowledge on the product. So if a person has knowledge on the product, he can go either as an admin, he can go either as a developer, he can go either as an implementer. That is your wish. You have to learn the complete course. After that, you have to decide yourself how you want to become how you want to go as. If you want to go as a developer, you can go as a developer. If you want to go as an admin, you can go as an admin. If you want to go as an implementer, you can go as an implementer. So who has more opportunities here? Admins will get 25% of the calls. Okay. Admins get 25% of the calls. And out of 100, 70% calls will be for developers. And implementers have only 5%. Okay. So here ServiceNow admins will get less opportunities comparatively developers. Comparatively developers, implementers get very less opportunities. Okay. So here guys, even though you are an admin, or even though if you want to go as an admin, even though if you want to go as a developer, even though if you want to go as an implementer, you should have knowledge on the product. Okay. If any of these persons doesn't have knowledge on the car parts, right, they won't be able to fulfill their roles. So that is why everyone should have knowledge on the product and ServiceNow platform. Okay. Okay, fine. So here you guys can ask me, are we going to cover integrations topic as part of this training? No, we are not going to cover integrations topic as part of this training. Integrations is a separate training. Integrations is a separate training. So once we started integration sessions, right, you guys will be informed. So we are going to start a integration sessions. Are you interested to join the integrations? So you will be informed for integration training if you would like to take. So even though you don't have integration knowledge, you can still attend the interviews. You can crack the interviews. Doesn't matter. Okay. So guys, now let us move on. If we move on, we will now discuss about certifications. Well, in the ServiceNow, CSA is a basic certification. CSA stands for Certified System Admin. This is the basic certification, CAD. Certified Application Developer. And we have CAS. So CAS, ITSM. CAS is actually separate for every application. CAS, Hardware Asset Management. CAS, Software Asset Management. CAS, Discovery. Likewise, Certified Implementation Specialist is actually the role which is actually available for Certified Implementation Specialist, CIS, is available for each application. So we have almost 40 applications in the ServiceNow system. We have total 40 applications in the ServiceNow system. So for each application, there will be a separate Certified Implementation Specialist certification. If you do that, that means you are the master of that particular application. Okay. So here CSA is the basic certification, and CAD, Certified Application Developer, and CAS is actually common for every application. CAS ITSM, CAS Hardware Asset Management, CAS Software Asset Management, CAS Discovery, CAS PPM, CAS APM. So likewise, we have different applications in the ServiceNow system. For each application, there is a separate Certified Implementation Specialist, this available. Certification is available. Okay. So here, is it mandatory to have a certification? No, not really a mandatory one. Okay. But it is good to have the certification because it will give the more weightage on your resume. Okay. Good to have and add on. Okay. So here, guys, those who would like to do the certification, okay, here you have to take the certification. You have to do the certification at the exam center, or you can actually do the certification online as well. Okay, which is actually a uh, expensive certificate. Doing the certification is very expensive. I am telling you, it costs around 60,000 Indian rupees. It costs around 60,000 Indian rupees. So here, 60,000, spending 60,000 is too much, right? So instead of that, what we will do is that once you get into the organization will actually, will allow you to take the certification with for free of cost. And then some organizations, they will actually ask you to do the certification, and whatever the amount that you have spent, right, you can actually reimburse that in the organization amount. Okay, so here once you get into the job, there also you can do the certification. Okay, it doesn't matter. So once you get into the organization, you can do the certification. Organization will pay for you. Okay, so here, well, this is actually about certifications. Okay, now we will actually be discussing about the packages on ServiceNow platform. So between 0 to 3 years, we can get maximum 10 LPA. If you have 3 years experience, you can get maximum 10 LPA. If you have between 3 to 6 years experience, you can get maximum 24 LPA. If you have experience between 6 and above, you can get maximum 50 LPA. Okay. So guys, on the ServiceNow platform, you will get huge packages. Okay. Recently, one of my student got placed in USD Global. He has got around 18 lakhs per annum with the 4.5 years experience. For 4.5 years experience person, he has got 18 lakhs per annum. Okay. See how much organizations are actually paying for a ServiceNow developer. Okay. So, and recently one more guy has placed in HCL Technologies. His name is actually Pawan. He has got around 14 lakhs per annum with the 4 years experience. Okay. So we have huge demand for ServiceNow developers. Okay. So the packages are huge in ServiceNow platform, guys. So here one point that I have to highlight is that ServiceNow has huge demand. ServiceNow has huge demand, and ServiceNow has less resources. Remember this point. It has huge demand and less resources. So demand is high, supply is less. Organizations are really struggling to get a ServiceNow developer. If you get basic knowledge on ServiceNow platform, right, there is a high chance that you can get hired in ServiceNow platform. That is the advantage here. If you have basic knowledge, and if you are actually really doing practice every day, at least 3 to 4 hours. See, remember this point, guys. Every day, 3 to 4 hours practice is required. That is for sure. Okay. If you guys are practicing, you are eligible, you are easy to crack the ServiceNow interview. Okay. So how do we identify? How do we check that whether if the ServiceNow has demand or not? So let us go to the Naukri portal. There we can check. Okay, I am going to the Naukri portal here. So in the Naukri portal, we can actually search with the ServiceNow keyword. Okay, we can search with the ServiceNow keyword. Okay, so here let me just type ServiceNow. Okay, see here we have how many results are coming here? 2,32,303. 2,32,303 jobs are here. Okay, so once you upload your resume on the Naukri, you will be bombarded with the calls. Lot of calls. I've seen recently one guy. His name. Let me just recall his name. Shivashankar. He switched off his mobile as he is not able to handle the calls. He switched off his mobile for sleeping purpose. So huge demand, guys. Remember one thing: if you are actually learning the things properly, you will be easily be placed in ServiceNow platform. Okay, so let us take a look at other platforms, how the opportunities on other platforms. So you see for Salesforce, how many opportunities are here? 7,260. If you take a look at the MuleSoft or Power Apps, how many opportunities are here? 10,277. Comparatively, ServiceNow platform, other platforms has less opportunities. ServiceNow developers has huge demand in the market. See, lot of organizations, they are actually planning to migrate to ServiceNow platform. Huge demand. Okay, fine. So you guys have seen, right, how demand ServiceNow platform is. Okay. Well, we will understand what are we going to provide as part of this training. As part of this training, we are going to provide real-time scenarios. We are going to provide real-time scenarios, real-time project, real-time project, interview questions, daily tasks, mock interviews, so those who would like to do the certification, so mostly people from US, mostly people from Australia, they do the certifications. If they want to do the certification, we also will help in clearing the certification exams. Okay, so real-time scenarios, real-time project, interviews, interview questions, mock interviews, mock interviews. Okay, so interview questions we will provide. Resume, we'll also provide a resume as well. We'll provide the resume as well. And those who would like to come here, they can come to the office and they can actually practice here, lab facility. And those who are joining online, if they want to practice, they can contact me on my WhatsApp. If any doubts. So we have virtual lab facility available. Those who has any doubts, those who have any doubts, they can actually contact me. They can actually contact me on my WhatsApp if you guys have any doubts regarding the ServiceNow platform. Okay, so here, right, these are all the benefits that we are going to provide as part of this training. Okay, and here we will now understand what is actually ServiceNow platform. We all are here to understand what is ServiceNow, right? So guys, ServiceNow is a cloud-based automation tool. Okay, so what is cloud actually? What is cloud here? So any platform that can be accessed through the internet is called cloud. Any platform that can be accessed through the platform, any platform that can be accessed through the internet is called cloud. ServiceNow platform is actually a cloud platform which can be accessed through the internet. See here, you see how am I able to access ServiceNow platform on the internet? So using internet, I am able to access the ServiceNow platform here or not. So ServiceNow is a cloud-based platform, internet-based platform. Anything that can be accessed over the internet is called cloud. Okay, so it's a cloud-based, internet-based automation tool. Okay, so here you are telling automation tool, what can be automated in ServiceNow system? Okay, what can be automated in the ServiceNow system? I will tell you. I will tell you. Okay, so here you are actually coming to office daily, and manager observed that you are actually coming to the office half an hour late. Manager has decided. So manager want to track when exactly an employee is coming to the office, when exactly he is leaving the office. Okay, manager want to check for each and every employee. Every employee is coming at what time? Every employee is leaving at what time? Okay, every employee is coming at what time? Every employee is leaving at what time? Every employee has spent how much time per week in the office? How much time per month in the office? Manager want to track each and every details of an employee in the ServiceNow system. Okay. So when an employee comes in, he has to punch in. And when an employee goes out, he has to punch out. Between this duration, we can calculate it. How much time he has spent in the office per day. How much time he has spent per week. How much time he has spent per month. Likewise, we can calculate for every employee in the organization. So that process, manager want to automate it in the ServiceNow platform. We can automate it in the ServiceNow platform. Okay. And let me give you another example. Let me give you another example here. Let us say we have interviews. We'll be attending the interviews, right? So what is the interview process? So first, recruiter will actually search for key skills in the Naukri. So he will actually find our resume from the Naukri. He will send our resume to respective team. They will actually go through your resume. If your skills are matching their requirement or not, they will take a look. If your skills are matching their profile, they will actually conduct a interview, first round of interview. If the first round of interview went well, then after that you will have a interview with the manager. If the manager interview is successful, you will have to have a discussion with the HR. If the HR discussion is good, you will be given the offer letter. So this is a process. This process can be automated in the ServiceNow system. Likewise, any process in the organization can be automated in the ServiceNow platform. Okay, you guys can ask me, ServiceNow is a ticketing tool, right? Yes. ServiceNow was a ticketing tool. ServiceNow was a ticketing tool. When ServiceNow was started, there was only one application, that is actually ITSM. Okay. So IT in the organizations use ITSM for ticketing purpose. Okay. In the organizations, so organizations use ServiceNow platform for their ticketing purpose in the initial days. That is why it was known as ticketing tool. Now it has 40 applications. It is continuously growing. It is keep on growing. No other tool is matching ServiceNow features so far. Okay. So here, when ServiceNow was started, it was a ticketing tool. Now it has become an automation tool, and as well as it is also a ticketing tool as well. Okay. It is both ticketing tool as automation tool, both. So here, ServiceNow platform is a cloud platform which is used to automate the process in the organization. Okay. So what are all the process we can automate it in the ServiceNow system? I told you, right? Timesheet management. So how much time employee is spending in an office. And we can also automate interview management. So likewise, if you have any process in your mind, you want to automate this process, you can automate it in the ServiceNow platform. Okay. So here now we have to understand that ServiceNow is a cloud-based platform which is known as ticketing tool as well as automation tool, which is used to automate the process in the organization. Okay. Now we will understand the history of ServiceNow platform. Guys, ServiceNow was started in 2003 at Santa Clara, California, USA. The founder is actually Fred Luddy. So he is very talented person, guys. He was an employee of Remedy Corporation, and when he was working as a an employee at Remedy Corporation, right? He learned everything from there, and then he started a new company called GlideSoft. GlideSoft. Later, it is renamed as ServiceNow. So when ServiceNow was started, the first name is actually GlideSoft. Later, it is renamed as ServiceNow. Okay. So ServiceNow was started in 2003. Now we are in 2023. So it is actually in the market over the last 20 years. People are getting to know about ServiceNow platform these days. People are getting to know about ServiceNow platform these days, but it has much popularity in other countries. In the US, in the Canada, in the Australia, it has huge demand. ServiceNow developer has huge demand. Okay. So guys, ServiceNow is now in adult stage. See, adult means 18 around, right? So here ServiceNow has 20 years age. It is actually, it is running like a horse. ServiceNow is now running like a horse. It has future coming next 20 years. Okay. If we start our career in ServiceNow platform, we can retire in ServiceNow platform. Okay. So remember this point, guys. We have promised future on ServiceNow platform. Promised future. And Bill is the current CEO. Bill Mac is the current CEO ServiceNow. Okay. So here Bill was an employee. Bill was a CEO of SAP company. Bill was CEO of SAP company. When Bill was CEO of SAP company, the SAP was so popular. Everybody was learning SAP. Okay. Now he has taken the charge of ServiceNow platform. So he is taking ServiceNow to the next level. This Bill McDermott is taking to ServiceNow to next level. Okay. Well, this is the history of ServiceNow platform, guys. Okay. So why ServiceNow is actually gaining the market? Are there any competitors in the ServiceNow platform? Are there any competitors for ServiceNow? Is there any other tools similar to ServiceNow platform? Yes, similar tools. Remedy, Ivanti, IBM Netcool, Sapphire, HPSM. These are some of the other tools which does the same things as ServiceNow, but these are not popular as ServiceNow platform. Okay, these are some of the tools that provide the same functionalities as ServiceNow platform. Okay, then there are other tools as well, right? Why customers are only choosing ServiceNow platform? Okay, so why customers are only choosing ServiceNow platform? Why they are not choosing Remedy, Ivanti, IBM or Sapphire or HPSM? So I will tell you. So we all will go to DMart or we all will go to Reliance. Why do we go to DMart? Why do we go to Reliance? Because we will get the quality products for less cost. First thing. Second thing, we will get whatever we want, including soap, clothes, everything you will get there in the DMart or Reliance. First, we will get everything. Second thing, we will actually get the quality products with the less price. Okay. So similarly in the ServiceNow platform, you will get everything that you want and you will get it for free of, and you will get it for less cost. Okay. So guys, let us say I want to purchase all the home needs. So first thing that will come to in our mind is that DMart. Why do we remember DMart? Because we'll get it for less cost and then we will get everything there, right? That is why we will actually think about DMart. Similarly, when customer is actually thinking about his product, right? He will actually expect. So what are all the features that we can actually have? So you will consider all of these factors and you will choose the product. Okay. If all the functionalities are provided for less cost, so customers will obviously will go to ServiceNow platform. Okay. So we will discuss some of the features that ServiceNow is actually providing. Okay. Well, ServiceNow can integrate with any external tool. Whenever you create a record in ServiceNow system, it will actually create a post in the Twitter. Okay. Whenever you create a um, record in the ServiceNow system, it will actually create a post in the Facebook. Okay, whenever you upload a video in the ServiceNow system, it will post in the Instagram. It can integrate with a Salesforce. It can integrate with any external system. That facility. So data extraction. So you have a file in the server. So consider Excel sheet. that Excel sheet is present in the server. Okay. If that Excel sheet is present in the server, if that Excel sheet is present in the server, from the server, you can actually pull the details and you can actually place it into the ServiceNow system. Okay. So from the server, you can pull the details and you can actually place those details into the ServiceNow system. Let us say you have data in the server. From that server, you can pull the data and you can place it into the ServiceNow system. And using ServiceNow system, you can generate the documents. So for employees, you can actually generate the offer letters. Okay. Reporting. In the ServiceNow, reporting facility is also there. Dashboards, exports, imports, whatnot, whatever the customers are expecting, everything is provided to the customer from the ServiceNow end. That is why ServiceNow has become popular and everybody is choosing ServiceNow platform. So these are some of the features that I told you. There are a lot more. ServiceNow also can be shown in the different languages as well. If you want to show it in China, or if you want to show it in Telugu, if you want to show it in Hindi, you can also show it in Hindi as well. So these are all the features that we have actually in ServiceNow platform. So in the ServiceNow platform, everything can be done only except few things. Okay. So these are all the some of the features that you have actually in ServiceNow platform, which makes more highlight in comparatively other platforms. Okay. So likewise, there are a lot of other features, guys. Okay. So that is why every customer is actually going to ServiceNow platform. See, remember one thing, who are all the customers of ServiceNow company? We are the customers of DMart. We are the customers of Reliance. Then who are all the customers of ServiceNow company? TCS, Wipro, IBM, Capgemini, Deloitte, PwC, KPMG, EY, Shell. There are all the companies are customer to ServiceNow company. ServiceNow is a product. These companies are purchasing that ServiceNow product. Okay. Well, now we will actually discuss about future on ServiceNow platform. Okay. Guys, so far 12,000 customers are already using ServiceNow. See, 12,000 customers means 12,000 companies like TCS, 12,000 companies like Deloitte. So 12,000 organizations, they're already using ServiceNow. In coming future, it is expected to go 30,000 customers. See, huge demand for ServiceNow developers in coming days. So guys, at least 20 years, you will be seeing booming on ServiceNow platform. Okay, at least 20 years. So we can actually retire in ServiceNow itself. Okay, we can retire in ServiceNow itself. Guys, I'm telling you, lot of opportunities on ServiceNow platform. You will get huge demand. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, now I will actually allow you guys to ask the questions, and who have the questions, they can actually raise your hands, guys. I will actually unmute you so that you guys can ask your questions. Okay. So it's time to it's a question and answer session, guys. Now you are actually ready to raise your voice. So those who are actually having doubts, right? Those guys can actually please raise your hands so that I can actually unmute yourself, and then I will actually unmute you so that you guys can ask the doubts. Yes, Raghavendra.
Very good evening, Uday. It was a good interactive session. Thank you for the demonstration, whatever you gave on ServiceNow. So my first question is, I am not a developer or come from a technical background, right? I work as a service desk manager. I handle about 60 to 80 to 100 people, right? But this is purely, I want to do a ServiceNow admin certification. So I want to know. So you did mention me at the beginning of the training that you need to know the product completely. So how about a guy who does not who is not a good in developing developer role or something like that? Because I know a lot of things are involved in JavaScript and all those things which I don't have knowledge on. So what do you recommend? Should I only do the CSA admin certification, or is it something that as a full package I have to do? That's
Yeah,
what my question. Thank you.
yeah, Raghavendra. So you no need to have the developer knowledge. You no need to have the understanding on JavaScript and all. Here, just understanding on the platform will help you in cracking the CSA exam and will help you work as a administrator. Okay, it doesn't matter
Okay.
whether you have developer skills or not. Understand my
Yeah.
point?
Okay.
So
Okay. If I have to give a little insights to it, see, I work for Unisys, and even we use ServiceNow platform, but basically I use it only to run the incident management and run the reports and dashboard. That's it. The
yes,
limitation is that. But I have I want to know and try and understand in depth of this particular tool, because I don't know, somewhere in the last 2 months I have started liking this tool. So it's a sheer out of dedication that I want to do this, not that I have something to do work something because I handle a team. So but still I want to do this. So that's exactly why I'm here, to try and understand what is the best for me, which I
so
want to do.
Raghavendra, you not only like it, you will
Correct.
enjoy it. You will enjoy it
Okay.
after learning every concept on ServiceNow platform, right? You will enjoy using it. Okay, so it has a lot of
Okay.
lot of technical stuff. You can actually enjoy learning this platform.
Okay.
So I assure you guys, I assure you, Raghavendra, by end of this training, you will get a clear idea on ServiceNow product. Understand?
Okay.
So including ServiceNow administration. See, as I told you, administration is like, it is like, you know, uh, what do we say? It is like mechanic job.
Correct.
So even mechanic should have understanding on each and every part of the bike, each and every part of the car, right?
Yes.
If he doesn't have the knowledge on each and every part of the bike or car, will he be able to fix that car? No, right? So here admin also should have knowledge on each and every part of the ServiceNow system. So here you have to have the knowledge on total ServiceNow platform. It is not about development. It is not about administration. It is not about implementation. You have to have the understanding on product.
Got it. Got it, Uday. Thank you. Thanks for that.
No worries. Yeah. And we have Prasanna here. Prasanna, you can unmute yourself and you can raise your voice.
Hello, sir. Good evening. This is Prasanna. Actually, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, my question is similar to the question which Raghavendra asked. So I'm from a non-IT background, sir, and I have an experience of I'm working in an MNC company, and I have an experience of 5 years in digital marketing, and now now I would like to switch my career into IT sides, but being a non-IT student, I don't know whether I can sustain here or not because we have JavaScript and all. So I would like to know like would I be getting clear training on JavaScript as well, like from the basics? So
So
would I be
here,
getting? Yeah.
Prasanna, don't think that we have to have knowledge on JavaScript. Okay. So sometimes we will use JavaScript basics for customizations. Okay. We will
Okay.
be covering JavaScript basics as part of this training. Okay. So here there are actually people who are from non-IT background, So I'm also naming her name Kalpana. She's from Tamil Nadu. She's a housewife. And then she got graduate. She has a graduation, and then
Okay.
she learned everything from here. And then she was able to crack in 4 companies. Okay, so here you don't have to have much knowledge on JavaScript. JavaScript basics I am going to teach as part of this training.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
And
yeah.
so one more thing. Now, when it comes to like job openings, like what are the job opportunities for freshers, sir? Now, I think I need to apply for a fresher job because my digital marketing experience wouldn't be counted there, right?
So here for freshers, we will be getting less calls.
Okay.
Comparatively, experienced persons will be getting less calls because in the organization, right? So organizations will actually hire a fresher from the colleges. They will actually train that fresher. They
Yes.
don't directly take service no freshers. Okay.
Okay.
So freshers has less opportunities. Freshers are only invited by startups.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So guys, I am actually unmuting everyone. First of all, remember this point. I am unmuting everyone, but please make sure you are actually asking the questions one by one. Okay, one after one, so that it will actually it will actually be a very interactive session, and let us not disturb the good environment. Okay, so I am going to unmute everyone, guys. So one by one. One by one. Any other doubts, guys, from anyone?
Uday, just want to add up whatever you added for Prasanna's question. Prasanna, I just want to tell you that since you come from a digital marketing background, but if you're planning to switch to IT background, there are so many good companies who can hire for a service desk jobs where you get an opportunity to work on ServiceNow platforms. And I think all you need to know is need to have a good basics of computers. And there are so many good processes where in ServiceNow they will hire. And I think if you adjust your resume and prepare yourself on the basics of computers, I think you can switch. The basic salary would be starting with 3.5 lakhs to 4 lakhs, where you will get a very good opportunity to work on ServiceNow. And post which, if you start doing the course like what Uday is going to train you, I think that adds up a lot of value to your resume. So just wanted to let you know. Thanks, Uday.
Yeah, no worries. No worries,
Yeah,
Ravindra.
thank you so much.
Yes. Uday, I have
Yes.
a question.
May I know your good
Okay,
name
like
first?
this is Hamid.
Hamid. Yeah,
Okay.
Hamid.
Yes. See, we are, implementing the service now in our company. Okay.
Okay.
Like earlier, we used to work for nearly 13 years on the SharePoint. Now we are shifting our platform to service now. Now,
Oh,
when we are shifting the implementation, we hire implementations from other companies. Okay, we have
okay.
given a project to other company, and then now what I'm facing a problem is like I'm not able to catch up the things like once they implement uh, everything rage or sys choices and everything
Mm.
because uh, the functionality wise there is a difference between SharePoint, and then
Yes.
coming back to ServiceNow. Like, can I catch up once once you do the training and everything goes? Can I be able to catch up?
Sure, sure. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's all.
No worries. Yes, yes. So any other questions from anyone? Yes, everybody is clear?
Sir, I have a small doubt, Lakshmi here.
Yeah, please, please.
Yeah, like what about the placement assistance, sir?
Yes. So here we will actually help you in all the possible ways. We will also help you in crack the interviews. We'll be sharing the interview questions, and as well as we'll be sharing your resumes with respect to companies. You will be getting the calls from those companies as well. So and so if you can come to the training institute here, we will actually be providing some interview purpose questions. We will be I'll be sharing the interview questions in the end of the training as well. That is for sure. And also once you are actually started taking the interviews, and if you guys have any doubts, you guys can contact me. So we will actually help you in all the possible ways. Yeah. So we will also be sharing your resumes with our companies as well. So you will have to go through the interview process.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. So any questions from anyone, guys?
Uday, Raghav again here. Since I'm from Bangalore and I'm going to have this training via virtual, I may not get a hands-on experience. So how are you going to help me here? Because that is something that I was looking, because I wanted to do that here in Bangalore. So just how do you suggest me here on this? Since
So
for me, it should be a virtual training itself,
yes.
right?
Yes, it's a virtual training and we will be practicing at your home, right? So if you
Mhm.
guys have any doubts, you can ping me on my chat. I will actually help you right away. If I am busy, I'll be answering you after some time. And if you guys have still doubts, you can actually ask in the same sessions.
So you will
Okay.
also give us an access to the actual ServiceNow tool, right? With a username and password or something?
Yes, I'll be granting you the access as well.
Okay. All right. All right.
Yeah, sir, Uday, I have a question. My name is Srinivas. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Srinivas.
Okay, I couldn't get connected to you. Okay, I have like 10 years of experience and more into monitoring and ITSM. So I want to switch to ServiceNow admin role right now, based on the ITSM background. So what are the chances of switching the career right now? Like, so if I have to move in, then I have to show like experience, right, to get into
Ye-
ServiceNow admin role. So
Yes.
so what is the possibility of getting switching the job, and I mean, how much time it would take for me if I
But
prepare?
for you, it doesn't take much time because as you have already the process knowledge, ITSM process knowledge, right?
Right, right, yeah.
It doesn't matter. So you can easily cope up with this platform, how the platform is working and all. You will completely get knowledge on ServiceNow platform. Maybe in within 4 months, maximum 4 months, you can get placed in any other company.
Okay, but as you said, there are less opportunities for this role, admin role,
Yes,
ServiceNow role. So that's the reason I'm asking you. I mean,
yes.
how?
ServiceNow developers has less roles comparatively developers. Okay, you will
Okay,
still be getting the calls from different companies. So
okay,
recently, one of my cousin got placed in Cognizant with a 25 lakhs package.
okay, okay,
Okay,
good.
so he has almost 11 years experience. He started at TCS, and TCS he was there for 8 years, and he
Okay.
was actually working for 6 lakhs LPA. Then
Mm-hmm.
he switched to Infosys, and he has got 16 lakhs per annum. Then after that, he has worked there for 1.5 years or 2 years, and now he switched to Cognizant. Now he is making, 25 lakhs per annum.
Okay, okay. So I mean, this training part, I mean, will it be different for admin people, or it will be the same thing with as?
Here, this is completely about ServiceNow platform training. Even
Right.
everyone, even admin should have knowledge on platform.
Right.
Developer should have knowledge on platform. Implementer
Okay.
should have knowledge on platform. If
Right.
somebody says which doesn't have scripting, that is called admin. Which has scripting, which has coding, that is actually developer. If somebody says that, don't believe that.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Okay.
Administrator means even administrator should have knowledge on every part of the product.
Yes.
Okay, developer should have the knowledge on every part of the product. Even
Right.
implementer should have knowledge on every part of the product. So some training institutions, they are actually telling that without scripting, that is an admin. With the scripting, that is a development. That is what they are telling.
Okay. Okay.
Which is not true. They are actually changing the definition of admin role.
Okay. I got it. Yeah. Sure. Okay. So thank you so much.
Yeah. No worries. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Any other questions from anyone?
Hi.
Hi, Salim.
Yes, is this course for only technical people like engineer or become graduates like that, or any for science background students also are
It's a
applicable
good
to?
question. That's a good question. Guys, I'm telling you, if you are from non-IT background, okay, for you guys, I'm telling, IT always encourages talent. Doesn't matter if you are from IT background or non-IT background. IT always encourages talent. So let me give you an example. There is a person who has got 80% in the academics, and then he has got placed into HCL Technologies, and then he has got good percentage in academics. He is computer science student as well, and he is not able to provide the he is not able to deliver the work on time. Okay, customer said, I don't need this resource, and then organization said, okay, you can leave for the day. You can leave. You can leave from the organization. Even though you are from CSE background, if you don't do well, they will actually tell you that you can leave the place. Even though you are from electrical background, even though you are from mechanical background, if you are doing really well, they will always encourage you. Doesn't matter. Okay, I personally from electrical background. Okay, so here I was actually I had a C language in my graduation first year. So guys, don't think that non-IT people will get opportunities. So here there are a lot of people who are from non-IT background, and then they are able to gain the knowledge, and they are able to crack the interview. So here in this training, you are going to get 6 years experienced ServiceNow pro knowledge, professional knowledge. 6 years experience ServiceNow professional knowledge you will gain. Okay, so experienced ServiceNow professional with 6 years experience, so we'll have huge knowledge on ServiceNow platform, right? So that much knowledge you are going to gain through this training. Okay, so here what exactly non-IT people, if you are from non-IT background, what you guys have to do is you guys have to spend extra time. Because IT people, they know some terminology, they know the process and all, but you are not aware of the process. You don't know the terminology. You have to get used to the terminology, then you have to practice. So that means you have to spend extra time for practicing purpose. Then you will be able to crack the interviews, and then you will be able to work for the projects. Okay. Doesn't matter, guys. If you are from non-IT background as well, it doesn't matter. I've seen a lot of people who are from non-IT background. They have actually got much knowledge, and then they are able to crack the interviews, and they are really doing well. They are actually delivering the work on time, and clients are really happy. So how can you make your country proud? Is that by working professionally, you can make your country proud. Okay, what other country people think is that Indians do really good. Then that is what they think. If you don't do really well, right, they will think that Indians don't do well. if you really work well, you can actually, get the name for our country as well. Okay. Our work represent our country. Okay. So any other questions, guys?
Hi.
Hi, Ravi. Hi, Akshita.
Sir,
Ravi, are you trying to speak something?
sir, I have 7 years educational gap. Is there any chance in service now?
Yes, you still have no, you still have opportunity to learn ServiceNow platform.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Pavani?
Sir, this is Pavni. Sir,
Hi,
is there
Pav.
any age limit to apply for this ServiceNow job?
So maximum 35 years. Beyond that, you will have to go as a technical lead. That doesn't work. Okay. Ravi? Any other questions from anyone, guys? Surendra?
Hi sir, my name is Srindra.
Hi, Surendra.
Sir, I have completed my BTech 2020.
Okay.
I have to learn this course. Is possible?
Yes, you can still learn this course.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, no worries. Guys, don't hesitate to open your mouth. Speak up.
Hi Uday,
Hi, Naveen.
this is Navin. So I completed my BTech in mechanical engineering in 2018. After that, I worked in 2.5 years in mechanical sector only. Last year only, I decided to pursue my masters in information technology. So I came to US to pursue my masters.
You have done a great job.
So present I'm pursuing a masters in information technology leadership management in one of the university in America.
Okay.
So I decided to learn the software course. So I decided to learn ServiceNow.
Just curious to know, when did you start your masters?
22 August. Yes,
You
third
didn't start?
semester. I'm doing my third semester right now.
Very good. Very good. I truly appreciate your interest towards learning the course, because most of the people, they are actually concentrating on part-times in the US, but you are actually concentrating on the course while you are in the while you are doing the masters. It is really good thing that you have started learning now, because most of the people, what they does in the US is that they will actually do the part-time jobs during the masters, and once it is completed, then they will realize that they will start working, they will start learning. Okay. And they will join some consultancies, they will actually take some amount from your salaries, this and all shit.
Yes, sir.
This and all shit. You realized it a bit early, so it is good time to start your career. It is good time to start learning. Okay.
Yep. I don't have any knowledge on IT sector.
Doesn't matter. You are actually doing information technology, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I'll help you out. Okay.
Okay. So can you provide your contact number so I
Sure,
can contact you
definitely.
if I have any doubts? So I
Definitely.
already pinged you in the chat.
So for contact number and all, you have to talk to admin once. Okay.
Okay.
She will provide the details.
Okay. I will talk with her. Thank you. There. Have a nice session with you.
Yeah, same here, Naveen.
Uday, Raghav here. So do you have any your same centers in Bangalore? No, right? It's only in.
No, Raghavendra.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Actually, do you provide any material
Sir?
kind of stuff?
Not really. Not really. The name I'm not able to recall.
Hamid, you can
Hamid,
call us
Hamid,
Sheikh.
Hamid.
Yes.
So in fact, I did not actually prepare any document, but I'll share the important links with you. Okay.
Okay, and as well as the recording sessions we'll get, right?
Yes, that is a good point. Everyday recorded sessions will be provided.
Okay.
Everyday recorded sessions will be provided.
Uday, and other than this 6 o'clock batch, so what are the other batches currently running?
So here I am actually currently teaching morning 8 a.m.
Okay.
and evening after 7:30 p.m.
Okay, and every day it's only an hour of training, right?
An hour, yes.
Okay. Will you be able to cover that 55 hours in 2 months? I think it's 45 days, right? Or 50
Yes.
days? Or
Yes.
almost nearing 2 months. Okay.
2 months. So I'll take 3-hour sessions on Saturdays sometimes.
On Saturdays. Oh, okay. Okay. That I was not aware of. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, offline is there classes?
Yeah, we have offline classes as well. We have online classes as well.
Okay, sir. Offline class timings, sir?
So same timing at 6 p.m.
6 p.m. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Uday, like you have stated that no company will hire freshers, like only startups is there. If we go to the startup, we'll get the less package. Like we are already working with some other organization and we are getting some income from that. If the startup got recruited, we'll get to go to the lesser position. So what kind of suggestion from your end?
See here, as a fresher, one should not actually look at the packages. Okay. The more you learn, the more you earn. First, we need to focus on learning. Then we need to focus on earning. Okay. So as a fresher, we have to always consider knowledge, whether we are gaining the knowledge or not. See, there are a lot of freshers. They are actually hired as a fresher. They are kept into support projects, and then they will realize after 3 years or 4 years, and then they will start learning a new course. Okay. I've seen many people who joined as a fresher. They are into support project. They haven't learned anything. They haven't learned anything, and then they would like to grow in their career to switch from one place to another place. They are not actually hired because due to lack of skills. So then they will start learning the new course, and then once they become the master on that, then they can actually get into another company or another technology. So as a fresher, one should always consider the knowledge. One should not consider about packages. Understand? What do you say, Raghavendra?
Yes, absolutely. I really don't know why people see. I carry about 17 plus of years of experience, and I know I actively take hire good amount of people in my in my company as well. So I really don't know. So since anybody who's being a fresher, you have to take out of that from your mind that I'm going for a lesser package. And I think when you learn and you excel in that particular role, I think I mean people will grab you. So it's as simple as that. So don't worry about it. Just give your 100%, learn, and be ready. I think definitely companies will grab you the amount of knowledge that you carry. So it's as simple as that. I totally agree with that, Uday.
Yeah.
Uday, do you have anything like main points to discuss or pain points to discuss? Because I have a call. I have to leave. So
Yeah, we are good enough. We are good enough. Yeah.
can I leave for the day?
Yeah, you can leave for the day.
Sure. Tomorrow I'll be catching you up at 6.
Sure. Yeah.
Sure. Bye.
So guys, we are running out of the time, and if you guys have still any questions, please feel free to raise your voice. And last 3 questions I'm going to take.
Hi Uday, this is Yoshita. Actually, the conversation is going on, so I couldn't interact with you. It was a nice session, and Uday, I wanted to be a ServiceNow developer. So just wanted to know how the developer classes would be different. Is it a different session after this 50 days training, or how is it going to be?
Well, here,
Mhm.
being a, if you want to become a professional ServiceNow developer, right?
Yeah.
Here, whatever the scenarios, whatever the requirements that I have completed during my project, okay, whatever I have done, same things will be explained here in this training. Okay.
Okay.
Pin to pin. If I take a topic, I will take you to the deep level and I will actually make you professional on the topic. Understand my point?
Thank you.
You will come across, you will actually enjoy learning each and every topic in this time. You will get complete developer training in this training, I'm telling you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions, guys?
Hi Uday, Kiran here.
Hey, Kiran.
Yeah, hi. So while the class is going on every day, we will have some practice sessions, right? So
Yes.
on that practice sessions, do we work on real-time scenarios from the beginning, or later on it will be done?
No, everything will be a real-time scenario. Each and everything. I'm telling you, right? If I take a topic, I will take you to the deep level on the topic.
Okay, everything, I mean, like the naming conventions and everything as per the real time.
Yes.
Okay, great.
But Uday, will the time suffice? Because when you say 1 hour, so how much will be covered? And then if you're gonna give us a kind of hands-on experience, so is that 1 hour suffices?
So I'll take some more time as well.
Okay. Sometimes it might extend. All right.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, Uday, it was so nice talking to you. Thank you for your demonstration. So I will be getting back to the team, and then probably I'll check with what are the timing available, and based on that, I will be looking at my convenient timing and joining it, Uday.
Sure. Same here.
Thank you. Thanks. Nice talking to you, Uday. Thanks. Have a nice
Same
evening.
here.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Uday,
Thank you,
is it
everybody.
mandatory to have the laptop to join this course, or we can access the course from your mobile?
You can attend the course from the mobile as well, but attending the sessions through the laptop will actually make more sense comparatively mobile. Okay, you can also attend it from the mobile as well, but still I always recommend you to join from the laptop. Okay. Okay. So account creation and all we'll be learning in tomorrow session. Okay, guys. Then we'll be seeing you in tomorrow session, guys. If you guys still have any doubts, we can have a discussion in tomorrow session as well. Okay. Thank you all. See you tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, Uday. Good day. Bye.
Good day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you all.
Thank you.